Back in May 2025, I introduced you to Monterezzo, an exclusive Tuscan-inspired development in Vistacana consisting of only 48 2- and 3-bedroom residences. The project will feature underground parking, a social area, and an on-site restaurant. Each residence also includes a selection of appliances. Monterezzo is also approved for CONFOTUR benefits, providing buyers with substantial savings through exemptions from property tax and a 3% title transfer fee. If you would like to see my original Monterezzo video where I covered the project and its features in greater detail, I'll leave a direct link at the end of today's video. Simply click on it to watch the full presentation. Now let me bring you up to date on the opportunities that remain. Across the project's 3 buildings, there are currently 3 available units on the first floor, 7 on the second floor, and 4 on the third floor. That gives us a total of 14 remaining residences, 4 2-bedroom units and 10 3-bedroom units. Another important advantage is the project's timeline. Monterezzo is scheduled for completion and delivery by December 2027. If you are interested in purchasing a pre-construction property but do not want to wait years for delivery, Monterezzo deserves serious consideration. Availability can change, so if one of these remaining residences is of interest to you, contact me directly. We can review the available options together and begin the process of securing the right unit for you. Now let me show you the most recent footage I captured this week of the construction progress taking place at Monterezzo in Vistacana. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you are in the market for this type of real estate investment, call or text me to 809-223-8416 or send an email to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.